Uh, hey everybody. Thought I'd come down here and show you the river. Been quit raining now for about 2 hours. You can tell though, boy, that river has probably been up in here. It's what it looks like, man, when we get a lot of rain. It rained like crazy last night. No doubt about it. I'd say it was over top of that bridge at one time. Like I said, it's been quit raining there for about 2 hours here. See all that debris laying here on the side. All the debris up here on the bridge. Down here looks like a power pole or something. Washed down river. No, hey, actually that's part of the bridge laying there, y'all. See where it's knocked it off right there? See that big old log laying there? Washed a lot of debris up through here. I'll show y'all this. This big old log laying right here. See, that's a whole tree laying right there, y'all. From there all the way back to yonder. Look at that big old log. Floated down the river. Look at that big tree there. It's crazy, ain't it? See? Right here. Went somebody across the bridge here then. I have went across it before with another fella. He was driving when the water was barely over the top of it. It wasn't that much over top of it, but we drove across it in his pickup truck. Man, we got a lot of rain last night. There ain't no joke about it. I'm gonna walk out through here a little ways, see what I see. Jump across that little mud hole there. Might find me a nice looking piece of furminated wood. Spotted piece out on that bridge I'll probably pick up on the way back out. We'll walk out here next to the falls. But the river is up, y'all. Bunch of sand washed up here on the bank. I'm sure that river was up there. They can't even walk on out there because up far as we can go right here, y'all. So usually I can walk right up here to the falls. Not today. Not the case. That river's moving on pretty good. Swift. See the falls over there. Coming off them falls pretty swift. Y'all ready to go kayaking? More basics. You and your husband ready to go kayaking. If y'all don't know More Basics, Ashley's her name. Go to More Basics, subscribe to her channel. Her and her husband are good people. She's got a real good YouTube channel, y'all. Man goes kayaking in there, hey. There'll be some rough waters today. Swift, rough waters. Alright, everybody. Thought I'd show y'all the river. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves us all.